At the mention of the name of Lagos Liga, phone is guaranteed, football is assured, and 50 million naira will be won. Never in the history of Africa has a private football league such as this become the steadfast of worship for a mega city. Lagos is breaking bounds. Lagos Liga is setting new milestones. And on this note, I welcome you to match day 6. From right to left, the referee sets us on the way. We're going to have the first corner kick. And there's him! Finally from nowhere and out of nothing, Azan Lawrence has given his side the lead. And Firecrackers finally concede their first goal in Lagos Liga. A harmless cross from Azan Abba was connected to by Azan Lawrence. I think he had a Primal still. Here they come again. Beautiful nutmeg. And a chance to make it 2 easy. Mukhtar Shuaibu makes it 2 for Primal Sporting. And all credit here must be given to the man down the far left side. And the far left side who played a major part in the build-up. A beautiful goal from Shuaibu. Fell kindly for him. And his side footed the shot home. Finds Shuaibu now. And yes, Abba. Oh, smart save from Balogun Kodri. Big chance there for Azan Abba to make it 3. Should be doing better from that close angle. They come. Shuaibu. And a chance here is 3! That's how you do it! 3-0 for Primal Sporting. And that man who just came off from the bench, Aliyu Tafida, has scored an incredible goal for Primal Sporting. And that should be the icing on the cake. Shuaibu with the assist. Nice control. Sharp turning. To Mubarak Usman. And they have another chance here. And it's 4! Amazing effort from Musa Deru to make it 4 for Primal Sporting. The attacking sequence was sharp and precise. Musa alive to the danger, making sure it's counted for something good. Beautiful goal. Opportunity to pull one back. Monday, a great defending there. And yes, Primal Sporting looking to counter. And they have a chance to make it 5. It is 5. What a strike from Aliyu Tafida. It's a brace for the young man. Quick transition from the back for Primal Sporting. Got into the groove for the counter attack. And 1v1. Aliyu Tafida beats his marker. And his precise left-footed strike. Backpedaling. And Tafida saw the space to make it 5. Yes, Firecracker. Yes, Azan Lawrence finds Azan Abba. Can they make it 6? The chance is alive. And it's going to be 6! What a way to score! Mubarak Usman makes it 6 for Primal Sporting. And when you thought the game is over and they will be so relaxed, their thirst and hunger for more goals has resulted to goal number 6 here. This is a beauty to watch, trust me. And that's the full-time whistle. A performance to remember for Primal Sporting. They have destroyed, massacred and annihilated Firecrackers with 6 unreplied goals today. And that's a very, very incredible save from Sunday Steven. And that is cool, like as you like. Larry Vigo smashes that one in. And here's Azan. Silabon. It sends Sunday Steven the wrong way. Azan! And that is enough to put the icing on the cake, despite Balogun guessing right. There's no stopping Primal Sports in the air this sunny afternoon at the Campus Memorial Mini Stadium.